To be truly listened to is an amazing experience, especially because it is so rare these days. When another person is totally with you, leaning in, interested in every word, and eager to empathize, you feel seen and understood. When people feel that they are being listened to at a deep level, they tend to open up because they feel secure and safe, and the trust between the two parties grows. Unfortunately, most people do not listen at a deep level because they're very preoccupied with the challenges of their fast-paced life. As a result, most conversations tend to skim on the surface. The absence of real listening is quite prevalent at work. Under pressure to get the job done, we tend to listen to the bare minimum that is required, and we are distracted about moving on to the next fire that needs fighting. So what's the consequence of this? Everyone is talking and no one is listening. This is why employee engagement has become such a big issue for organizations. This is becoming a bigger problem in this COVID scenario because employees are dispersed and conversations tend to be more crisp and transactional in nature. And leaders seem to have become busier and more distracted during this period. How often are you as a leader distracted in a conversation or meeting with your team? How often are you as a leader not psychologically present with the team when you're with them virtually? How often do you cancel, reschedule, or shorten a meeting with your people in favor of another priority, a stakeholder, or a task? Ironically, now more than ever, leaders need to be deeply and continuously connected with their employees. What your team needs now is an authentic and unequivocal leadership presence. So turn off the noise in your head, turn off the distraction from your gadgets. Focus your mind and time on the people you lead, and they in turn will follow and support your leadership efforts. Now more than ever, it is important to really connect with your employees as people and show that you care for them. Listening deeply will help you understand the challenges and expectations of your team members and will enable you to present your intentions and goals in a way that you can have everyone aligned to it. Listening is a skill that you can develop through training and practice. And who better to learn from than coaches? Effective coaches tend to be gifted listeners, and they have honed their listening skills to a high level of proficiency. This is what enables coaches like me to reach the inner recesses of your mind to help you have those deep insights. In the book Coactive Coaching, Henry and Karen Kimsey House have explained the 3 levels of listening and how you can cultivate the art of listening. Level 1 listening is an interaction where you as the listener are focused on your own thoughts, judgment, and feeling. You relate the words that you hear to your own experience. For example, if we are buying a car, we would be listening at level 1 because we would be taking in all the inputs to assess whether the car meets our requirements in terms of features and budget. Level 2 listening takes the communication a step further. It involves paying attention to the tone of voice, the body language, and the facial expressions. As you filter out your internal chatter and distractions in the environment, you are able to tune in to the meaning of the words, and you are able to choose how you would want to respond and what the impact of that would be on the speaker. Level 3 listening brings in an entirely new level of awareness to the conversation. It involves doing everything in level 2 plus using your intuition to take the conversation to a different level, but it requires you to be not attached to your intuition. Without insisting on being right about your intuition, if you just observe how the speaker reacts to your intuition, the conversation could go into a whole different level of depth. For instance, a team member comes to you and says that he is very happy with the outcome of the project. But if you say that, I understand that you're happy with the results, but I'm sensing that there's something on your mind. This can lead to two kinds of responses. One could be that no, there's nothing. And the other could be, yes, there is something. I want to actually share some of the problems that we faced during this project. So in this case, just by using the intuition that you had that there's something more to it, you were able to actually get more information. Level 3 of listening is the really advanced kind of listening that you will experience in a coaching session. So there you have it, why it is important for you as a leader to listen deeply and how you could develop listening through practice and enhance the level of listening that you are able to achieve. The art of listening takes time to develop, but it is something that you can practice on a daily basis. It builds trust and understanding and contributes significantly to your effectiveness as a leader. If you would like to experience this deep level of listening, you can reach out to me for a complimentary coaching session. Leaders who go through coaching tend to become more open to listening to their team members, and it has a cascading positive impact. So talk soon. Thank you.